Good luck, fellas.
Good luck.
Here we go! Ready?
Right, there wasn't people.
Where are you going, Cole? All the way.
Oh. Oh, can you hit the green button?
That Trevor's out there.
Watch that, Trevor's right there.
Is that a pin? No. No. I said, is that? Sorry.
But it wasn't. And then he destroyed a box.
Hey, that box needs to move. Sam, get Thomas.
It went like where?
Hey, Rick's over there.
Ow! Son of a... No!
We just got the conference room, guys. What?
We got position.
Yeah. Nice shot. Wow, Jake! I know. Yeah, I know.
Let's get up. I'll let you take it. That's Tony. Get up there.
Gotcha. I got him, I got him.
Get the corner. Someone get the corner.
Is that a pin?
Ah, what is that?
Nice spot.
Did I get you, Tony?
Huh? No.
Gotcha. You hit me?
Yeah, I hit you in the shoulder.
You're peeking, Kyle! You're peeking!
I'll look through it, but I won't shoot through it.
Seems legit.
Gotcha, Thomas. We gotta get Kyle out of that corner.
We're gonna get Kyle out of the corner.
Gotcha.
Did I not hit you, Rick? Gotcha, Rick. No, you missed me. Tommy just got me up. Sam! Sam! Where am I? I was. I got the corner.
Who was that? That's me.
Hey.
Oh, yeah, who is that?
Gotcha, Tony.
Did I get you, Kyle?
Yeah.
Ah, Jake's right there. Jake's in the corner. Sorry.
That is like the cheapest spot ever.
Yeah, you killed Nick through that hole, so kind of goes both ways.
I gotta get Jake out of that corner.
I did? Oh, you got me sat right in the throat. Adam's apple. Oh, that hurt.
Thomas is around the corner. On the left. Who? Gotcha, Trevor.
Time! Time up! Time already? Man.
At the buzzer?
Well, if it ends
Hey,
with
that
no,
was right before the buzzer.
if it ends with no pins, then it's a pretty balanced map.
That's what I say.
What?
That's what I say. Yeah, you guys had it at first, and then we had it second.
Well, I died
So-
because I hit my shin on that dumb chair. I think those chairs aren't really a safe thing to have in there while you're running around. Huh? Or I'm just an idiot.
It might be that once they have it, probably
I vote a little of A and a lot of B on that one. I'll take it.
You got an angle on the door.